Today we'll discuss much about the ICT innovation for the healthcare. And this is a small proposal from me. That is, if we develop a model home that is named as E-Swasthya Kutira. Swasthya means health, and the Kutira means a small home, where you can avail the rural people, because rural peoples are not able to get a smartphone. Each rural people are not able to get a computer or desktop or laptop in their homes. So there is a communication and technology gap between the ICT sector, IT sector, and the rural peoples. So to bridge the gap between these peoples and the IT sector, this e-Swasthya Kutira is developed. It is a proposal. If it is produced in a low cost basis and government should provide it in each village e-Swasthya Kutira, then it may be helpful to help a lot to the rural peoples. So my objective of presentation is number one is importance of the health information, education guidance for common people. Then what type of information required by rural people about health, and from where they get it, and reliability of the sources that rural peoples avail, and communication and technology gap, and e-Swasthya Kutira may meet the unmet need by fill the gap. The importance of health information, health education guidance, and primary health care mainly for the preventive of disease, reduce cost of treatment, decrease the disease burden, and manage overcrowding at the hospitals. And condition that these facilities should be available at right time, when one need, at right place, and by the right person, and to the right person. Reality is that a case study, a case of a late diagnosed breast cancer, a female of age 38 having some problem in her breast, advised by a family member, visit to a near pharmacist. A pharmacist shop where she treated for breast abscess, and after not recover for a couple of months, diagnosed as a cancer in a tertiary health center. And now we guess what is the result after mastectomy, after radiation therapy, but unfortunately the woman is not able to save. Then second is a case of Guillain-Barré syndrome. One individual having age that is a 52L and having mild fever and feel weakness in lower limb, get advice from a friend and take medicine for fever. But after 12 to 14 hours, feel severe weakness and admitted to hospital where diagnosed as a Guillain-Barré syndrome and treatment for same and admitted there for a long period with a ventilator support. And these two cases, we really avoid this type of cases if we have provided the rural people sufficient health information, education by any medium. There are some possibly existing sources where the rural people, that is a peer group, that is families, nearest pharmacists, medicine shop, and the quacks, electronic and printing media, and educated person of villages, that is students and other members, those are educated in the village, and health workers, doctors of public health care institution, and private practicing doctors. There is a case sample study of 800 individuals from the 5 different villages of Odisha in the year 2009 to 10 and villages of Rajasthan in the year 2011 under Know Our Rural Family Survey. That is from the 1800 sample size, peer group, that is advice from the peer group is 25%, nearest pharmaceuticals 40%, educated person 12%, health worker and doctors 16%, and others, that is like electronics media, the peoples of rural get the only 7% people are get information about the health. Now is my proposal for the e-Swasthya Kutira. I like to discuss about the functional components of the e-Swasthya Kutira and functioning process, services, strength and weakness analysis, challenges and opportunities for the national and international audience. The functional components of the e-Swasthya Kutira, rural e-Swasthya Kutira unit, then connecting link, central health call center, supporting manpower. The e-Swasthya Kutira unit consists of a small cabin of size 10 feet cross 10 feet, audio components, earphone, amplifier, microphone, tele components, landline connection with invoice recorder and automated voice recorder, digital writing pad, digital notice board, security components like closed circuit camera, fire extinguisher, optional like iron folic acid and condom vending machines, a suitable CPU with additional supportive devices. The connecting link should be a high-speed internet connection, dedicated telephone line, and either through Ethernet or through wireless. It links the unit of central health call center. The call center links with each public health institution, all health workers or doctors, and common people by telephone. The central health call center, a dedicated toll-free helpline, operates 24/7 hours. All call center answers by expert health advisor with levels of call transferring. This is a art of center having required technology like IVR, AVR, mirror image server, uninterrupted power supply, etc. Act as a data storage center having all information about hospital, doctors, diseases, and programs. The supporting manpower, one operator for each e-Swasthya Kutir, maybe ANM and ASA trained for it, health advisor or counselor, management staff, and the software to operate, a suitable software needed. This is the graphical representation of how the e-Swasthya Kutir operate. That is the end user, the patient, and midpoint is the e-Swasthya Kutir, and the central hall is the call center, health call center. And at the periphery, the health workers and the health facilities, that is the sub-centers, PSC, CSC, tertiary level care are get. And if all are interlinked properly, then it gives a better result to the rural peoples. Then services supposed to be provided by the e-Swasthya Kutir is health information and education by audio video ads, health counseling and guidance by telephone or video conferencing, information about nearest public health institution, doctors, services, ambulance tracking and mobile healthcare units, online register for seeking special healthcare, especially for maternal child care, tuberculosis, malaria, etc., and other epidemics, information about upcoming and ongoing health programs at nearest area. The strength of this e-Swasthya Kutir is availability of broadband electricity at rural level is now possible, provided person-to-person counseling by audio video visual aids, act as an information storage and sharing unit at root level, connect all health institutions and healthcare manpower under one roof, effective interface between people and health system at village level. M-Health for rural people is a dream because smartphone not affordable. Weakness is computer literacy, acceptance by people, sharing of information. And the opportunities in future, it act as a model unit and may cater other needs like information about agriculture and governance system at village level. Threats as feasibility to install and operate, security threats, and during disaster and maintenance. National global perspectives, states like Gujarat, Rajasthan plan for establishing 24/7 healthcare call centers. In Odisha, Hello Doctor 24/7, a same kind of health call center operated by private sector. GBL Global Project, Indian Health Kiosk, an initiative of GBL Finland and IIT Kharagpur aims to manufacture thousands of such units for India and supply to India. Online health information and guidance services are grow rapidly in India. Conclusion, in rural India, the broadband connectivity and electricity availability is now not a dream, so operation of it not difficult. In addition, computer literacy is increased gradually. By private-public partnership mode, it may be established. Use of ICT by this for preventive and promotive healthcare model to avoid pain, suffering, and high cost of its healthcare. In future, it may replace the sub-centers, which mainly focus on preventive and promotive healthcare. That is my small presentation. Thanks to all.